Good news, good news, good news. In 2026, for you to get 4,000 watch hours is now very fast. YouTube have given us options to get our 4,000 watch hours without stress. So if you are still yet to be monetized, I'm going to show you a method that can get to your 4,000 watch hours very fast. So if you have up to 50 subscribers in your channel, congratulations, because you need to start using this particular feature now to start live streaming. If you're not yet up to 50 subscribers, learn this and grow your account fast so they can start live streaming. If you have up to 50 subscribers and you're able to go live streaming, you have to wait till you have up to 55 subscribers or 60 subscribers, because most times YouTube makes it that way. Many people get rejected when they're applying for their monetization using this particular feature. And I'm going to show you how you can use it without having to risk your account now or in the future. Meeting me for the first time, this is Build and Brand with Quick. Now I help YouTubers, beginners to grow, build, and monetize the right way. No shortcut, no gatekeeping. Everything as I have implemented and have experienced. Guys, let's do this. So, first thing you need to know before you start that silent live stream is number one, you have to give it that human touch. Mistake people make is putting their pictures and leaving it for 10 hours, 7 hours. If you're the one, won't you suspect that something is wrong, that this can't be human being? Before now, people use that method and they get away with it, but it's now coming back to haunt them because YouTube is now fighting inauthentic accounts and reused content and low effort content. You don't want your account to get trapped in this mess. So if you're a first channel, a faceless channel, this particular feature works perfectly well for you, irrespective of your niche. It doesn't matter at all. If you've gotten 50 subscribers, start live streaming today. If you have a little watch hours, let's say 1,000 watch hours, 500 watch hours, and you want to move it very fast, use this feature, right? And then also, if you're also looking for subscribers, use this feature also, because as your watch hours is increasing, your subscribers is also increasing. Let me show you how to get it done the right way. The first thing you need to do is head over to ChatGPT. Okay, you want to tell ChatGPT. So if you are with your phone now or with your PC, you can start doing it as I'm talking. You are going to tell ChatGPT that you want to start silent live stream on YouTube, but you don't want to be rejected or demonetized in the future. I want to use puzzle, quiz, and riddles in the silent live stream. So generate 5 to 10 puzzles, riddles, quizzes, ideas, options. It could be 20. So you just have them in your archive. So what you need to do is, once you generated all of these, then tell ChatGPT not to make it like a reused content, okay? Make it fresh, brand new, attention grabbing, something that would those things that will make audience to stay, you know. So it's not like putting 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. No, that's not what I mean. Or make people to stay. No, a typical example is the one that you are seeing here on the screen. I used this and others, okay? That is what I used to get my watch hours, and I got my account monetized. If you want to know how I did it, subscribe and follow for more, all right? So once you're able to do this, you tell ChatGPT to create a puzzle for you. If you want to use puzzle, quiz, or anything that will make audience to stay, that will make audience to spend more time. ChatGPT is one of the AI that knows these platforms. It's going to generate these things for you, the questions or the question, the reason, the puzzles, anyone for you, right? Copy it into your Microsoft Word. Once you save it there, Microsoft Word, you understand? Once you save it there, every day you want to go live stream, you need to prepare. Copy one question or one puzzle or maybe two, depending on how many times your ChatGPT will grant you access to generate pictures, right? Copy it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate you a picture of for this riddle, right? It's going to generate everything. Now ask ChatGPT to include a human form, something like this. It's going to generate it and include that human form, right? You can take it to Grok AI to animate the human, so the human can be moving, something like this. You understand? So with this, it makes it interacting, and there's this human touch, and it's not low effort content at all. This is how I did mine. No, this is what I did, and I don't have issues, and I got monetized. Now, another thing to pay attention to, it doesn't end there. The moment you are done with all of these things, your titles matter. Don't repeat titles, all right? The title of your silence live stream shouldn't be repeated. And also the description, your channel, your live stream or your silent live should have a description. So you ask ChatGPT, okay, to write you a description for your silence live stream so that YouTube will know. You understand? That will not get your account demonetized and all of that. To write you a description, you place a description of all your silent live stream. Repeat, use the same description, doesn't matter. But ensure that you place a description in the description of your channel. All right. So because when YouTube wants to vet your channel for monetization, it's a human being. They will use a human being tool to access your channel, and they will start from your description, channel description. So you make sure you ask ChatGPT to write you a channel description that depicts that you do riddles, quizzes, and puzzles. So as they are coming, they will be seeing it. They will know that you actually told them right from the beginning that this channel, you will also see things like that. ChatGPT will help you to do this thing. Copy it and paste there, and you are good to go. All right? You are good to go. Don't repeat your titles. Ensure you place description across all your silent live streams, and don't repeat any of your silent live stream puzzles, quizzes, or um, riddles, whatever thing you're using. Don't repeat any. Then make sure you start your silence live stream with an introduction of your puzzles, whatever you're using. Then go silent, interact with the members if you can, you know, in the middle of your live stream, unmute and encourage them. And then when you're closing, close it very well and welcome them again and invite them to come back for more. With this tactics and this strategy, with this setup, trust me, if you are consistent, you're going to see massive result. Don't do it once and say there is no, it doesn't work. No, I did it many times. It didn't work the first time I did it. It didn't work the second time. It didn't work the third time, but it picked up as I was consistent. So consistency is one of the major tools I want to encourage you to practice. So you could use Restream.io, a third party, to run these streams. I use Restream, right? I use Restream for my silent live stream because I make use of just one phone. So I use Restream my PC, and yeah, because sometimes Restream could slow down your the functionality of your phone because of how large the file is. So if you don't want to slow down your phone, or maybe have your phone giving you issues of breaking down and all of those effects, you can use the YouTube direct mobile app, right? Go silent live stream, normal live stream, as you go normal live stream, and use the green screen. Screenshot the question so that it matches with the screen. You see, screenshots so it matches with the screen. Once you go silent live stream, you place the question there, unmute and say one or two things, and then mute it, and you continue like that. So with this, you should be able to start it right away. I hope you didn't miss any step. If you miss any step, this can actually get your account demonetized. Trust me. So you need to follow this step by step. Always come back to this video in case you miss any step, because it will actually help you. If you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. See you